Hello, I'm Laura and welcome to this How to Crochet series by Annie's. In this video tutorial, we're going to revisit the yarn over. It's important that you don't yank the yarn through when doing a yarn over. Let me show you what I mean.
When directions say to yarn over, you always want to take the yarn from the back of your hook around to the front. So back to front. You're never going to go this way around. You always want the yarn to come from the back and move around to the front for a yarn over. So one more time, a yarn over moves from the back to the front.
Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new crochet videos coming up. And tell us in the comments how you're doing. Are you enjoying this process? And which of our tutorials has been your favorite so far? We love hearing from you. See you next time.